Number one. On the other side, ladies and gentlemen, it's been 7 days since the assembly poll results were announced. Since then, two chief ministers have already taken oath in West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, while Assam and Puducherry will see their chief ministers take charge in the next 2 days. But in Kerala, the only state where the Congress-led alliance managed to come to power and has a clear majority, there is no clarity over the chief ministerial phase. Hectic parleys are now underway, while Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man KC Venugopal is among the front runners. So is the former leader of opposition V.D. Satheesan. Senior state leaders have now been called to Delhi tomorrow, and a meeting with Rahul Gandhi is likely to take place to build consensus. But ahead of that huddle, Times Now has learned that their Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also thrown her weight behind one of the candidates, that is V.D. Satheesan. So for every Rahul Gandhi man, KC Venugopal, there is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's man, V.D. Satheesan. Her choice aligns with the Congress ally IUML, the Muslim League, a fact used by the BJP to allege that Congress is now dancing to the Muslim League's tune. The Prime Minister also mentioned the confusion within the Congress and accused the party of backstabbing and betraying its own people. The question now is, how will the High Command, which is dithering, will Kerala Congress see a return of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, where these battles are part of folklore?
जनता की समस्याएं सुलझाने के बजाय यहां की सरकार का ज्यादातर समय आपस के झगड़े सुलझाने में लग रहा है। ये तय नहीं हो पाता है कि मुख्यमंत्री कितने दिन रहेंगे। ये तय नहीं हो पाता है कि दूसरे को मौका मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। लटकाए रखा है। सिस्टम केरल के लिए चुप है, नेता नहीं तर्क पा रहे। राजस्थान में वही किया, कर्नाटका में अभी भी वो खेल चल रहा है, अब केरला की बारी है।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate with Shehzad Karan Verma, Sanjay Jha, as well as Vivek Srivastava is Advocate Umar Junaidi. Umar Junaidi, who's your pick for the Kerala Chief Minister? Because the Congress isn't able to decide quickly. It's been 7.5 days. I thought we'll do a little poll right here on the News Hour tonight and get your favorite candidate. Who's that?
Well, Himanta Biswa Sarma was the CM and he was projected as the CM for the Assam, and yet of the elections, the declaration of his being continuing to the CM is not made. So it's not a very unusual thing happening in Kerala. So,
मौलाना साहब कल स्वेरिंग इन है, आपको भी इनविटेशन है, कल है, कल tomorrow Himanta ji is being sworn in. His legislature party has already elected.
I'm asking you a question on Congress. You are giving me an answer on BJP. I'm just asking you, who is Himanta your favorite chief ministerial candidate for Kerala?
Let me speak. Thank you, Shehzad ji, for letting me.
But which cave were you? आप तोरा बोरा में बंद थे क्या? तोरा बोरा केव में?
के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
तोरा बोरा केव में? तोरा बोरा में थे क्या?
Now coming to Kerala, I believe KC Venugopal should be given a chance as he has worked in the national politics and
he is not
organizing secretary for AIC.
But
Umar Junaidi votes for KC Venugopal. Sanjay Jha, who are you voting for?
Navika, here is the truth about Kerala.
God.
The Congress UDF has got a significant presence and majority. The Chief Minister who will be finally in the job will be there for 5 years. So I think there are a couple of contenders. And therefore, it's very normal to actually debate amongst the legislators as to who is probably going to be the man for the big occasion. Now, there are 3 claimants. They're all popular. I believe Mr. Satheesan is a very locally, extremely powerful candidate. He's done a wonderful job, including Mr. Ramesh Chanithala. So there are excellent people. It's a good situation to be in. Really? I call it the problem of plenty. And I think the Congress party is doing the right thing. like taking a little longer.
So you want a Siddaramaiah, DK Shiv Kumar kind of play out, Sachin Pilot, Ashok Gehlot kind of play out.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I think the Congress has learned from these mistakes.
When?
Which is what perhaps is
When,
more
sir, DK Shiv Kumar and Siddaramaiah is a daily soap opera.
Well, in my opinion, I've said this publicly on your program. With the elections in Karnataka coming close, I have publicly said it. I'll repeat it again. I think DK Shiv Kumar should be made the chief minister because he needs time to campaign for the next one.
Right now, the Congress is in a bind in Kerala. Can you please solve that? Because Karnataka, Rahul Gandhi hasn't been able to solve for a long time.
My personal choice is not relevant, but I do believe that a leader locally from Kerala who's been there for the last 5 years.
Okay, so V.D. Satheesan, I read between the lines Shehzad Poonawalla. He wants V.D. Satheesan, Junaidi Saab wants K.C. Venugopal. यहाँ तो न्यूज़ार में ही पोल में गड़बड़.
Actually, Navika, first of all, INC should be renamed as I Need Chair or I Need Confusion. I mean Karnataka, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Himachal. I did not. So please, sir. Please, Mr. Junaidi, please. Navika,
I are not from the INC.
I have not told you you are from INC. You are from Jamaat. And therefore you are supporting wrong candidate of K.C. Venugopal. Support Satheesan. You don't know anything. Anyways, now let me complete. Don't interrupt me. Rajasthan, Gehlot versus Pilot.
You interrupted me.
Chhattisgarh, T.F. Singh Deo versus Bhupesh Baghel. Himachal, Pratibha Singh versus Mr. Sukhu. Karnataka, DK versus Siddaramaiah. And now Kerala. Wherever Congress comes, they keep fighting for Satta, not for Janta. Point number one. Point number two, I have a solution for Sanjay because Sanjay Jha is very optimistic even now. I think they should make one CM for 1 year, 5 CMs, 5 years. Or they can have alternative model, 7 CMs, 1 CM every day. Okay. Monday 1 CM, Tuesday 2 CM, 7 CM they can make Sanjay Jha also.
Maybe you know, you worked closely with Rahul Gandhi in the past. आप वहीं straight भेज दीजिए अपना suggestion.
Suggestion I'm sending to Sanjay because Sanjay's suggestions are taken on board in the party. That's why he's suspended till now. But having said that, just one line, Navika, on a serious note, look, this is what they do. They come to power with full majority and then they really mess up the administration because they can't decide on one leader. Well, and that is a disservice to people of Kerala.
We'll have to wait, but Vivek Srivastava, right now, it's Rahul Gandhi versus Priyanka also at one level. She's the Wayanad MP. She's backing Satheesan. He's, I don't know, backing maybe his own, closest alliance partner or organizing secretary, K.C. Venugopal. Do you think it's the right beginning for a Congress government in Kerala? Unmute yourself, otherwise you'll accuse me of silencing you.
No. I never accuse you. Now, as far as the Kerala is concerned, on a lighter vein, after listening to Shehzad, अरे मैं कह रहा हूं अभी डिसाइड होने में टाइम लग रहा है तो पिनराई विजयन साहब को बनने दो सीएम, बाहर से समर्थन दे दे कांग्रेस, हम तो तैयार बैठे हैं. लेकिन
संजय झा, विवेक श्रीवास्तव says allow Pinarayi Vijayan to continue.
वैसे भी विजय को सपोर्ट कर ही रहे.
बाहर से
practical advice. Do you want to do that?
Well, I can tell you that I personally feel that Vivek is not just a dear friend, but the CPM is one of the strongest supporters of the Congress party. So if anybody can support the Congress, we don't need the CPM.
Like really. In Kerala, no. Your support for each other depends on the geography. You support each other in Delhi, but outside Delhi, you are all at each other's throats. And Karan Verma, in Karan Verma, right now, in the geography of Kerala, there is a crisis where everybody is trying to outdo everybody else. Problem of plenty, says Sanjay Jha. What do you think?
No, I am so surprised, Navika ji. I think that Jamaat has chosen V.D. Satheesan. I mean, for all those people who used to say that, no, Priyanka leans towards the Hindus more, Priyanka is actually backing V.D. Satheesan. Can you imagine? The man who actually had an alliance with Jamaat-e-Islami, and Pinarayi Vijayan on the floor of the House said, how can you be in cahoots with such a rabid organization? He said, I don't think they are that radical. So that is V.D. Satheesan for you. So I think V.D. Satheesan is the right man. And that mask of Priyanka Vadra can also fall off. People can understand she is their version of Muslim appeasement on further steroids. That's what Priyanka Vadra's candidate is.
You know, this
and I think that the way
BJP
they
also
appease the Muslims, I think V.D. Satheesan is the man.
Karan, this decision has split BJP. State BJP is saying we want KC Venugopal here, and national BJP is saying we want KC Venugopal there. ये serious note पे नहीं है, वरना somebody might tweet it.
Well,
like Zubair.
you know, Sanjay Jha, do you think the Congress could have done without this musical chair, frankly, after winning Kerala so comprehensively?
Navika, I think Shehzad Poonawalla is probably not aware.
Yes.
How long did the BJP take to get a chief minister in Delhi? Does he don't know the number of days?
Well, 12 days. I rest my case. I rest my case. उनके अभी 8 हुए हैं. आपका 12 का record है. The record holder is still the BJP. But we'll wait and watch. Expected to hear an announcement tomorrow. Well, if all goes well with the Congress decision making, we'll have the name by tomorrow. We'll wait and watch who wins, Team Rahul Gandhi or Team Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Wait and watch and keep following us here on Times Now. Thank you very much to all my panelists and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.